So maybe you have a school project or a work quota deadline that you have to meet. Here are a few tips that I use that help me in meeting my deadlines. Tip number 1 is to have reminders everywhere.
Have it all, it's just a state of mind. No matter what they say, you know you're always right. You got a heart of gold, the moon is on your side. No matter where you go, you're always in the light. Always in the light.
It's important to have reminders everywhere so that you ensure that you aren't going to forget your project. Moving on to tip number 2, it is to break down the project. Now, this is standard advice for any project, and that is because it works. Don't try to tackle the entire project at once. Take it one step at a time. It can be pretty intimidating looking at the big picture and seeing how much work that needs to be done, but breaking it down into steps will help you get started. And that brings me to my next point. Focus on the first step at hand. Now that you've broken the project into smaller steps, focus on the first step at hand. Do not worry about the other tasks. Only put your full attention into the first step. Once you finish that first step, that'll give you that satisfaction of finishing the first step, and that will allow you to get the momentum to move on to the next step. Moving on to tip number 4, that is to allocate the time. If you don't book off the time or a section throughout the day, then you probably won't get to it at all, or you will procrastinate to the very last minute, which is what I'm doing right now. Alright, so I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I will be posting my future videos on Thursdays from now on, and that's because Tuesday is a little bit too close to the weekend, and the weekend is where I film and edit my client work, and so I am picking up more clients as of lately, and so that's exciting news, and so I'm pretty excited about that. And unfortunately, uploading on Tuesday actually puts a lot of stress and pressure on me in terms of how I have to edit on Monday night. Right now I'm editing, it's like around 4 a.m. right now, and so yeah, I really, I'm committed to you guys. I'm committed to upload weekly, and yeah, it just, YouTube makes me happy and it excites me, and so I still want to do weekly uploads, but it will be on Thursdays from now on. I'm so grateful for all of you guys who tune in every week, and yeah, it just motivates me to keep on pushing out work, and I'm excited to continue this journey. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next Thursday.